Hello everyone, CBSE board class 10th and 12th. Here I am giving you some tips to study everything and score good marks in your final exams. As CBSE has postponed your exams, okay, so don't no need to worry, you have enough time to prepare. But still I'm telling you the last minute tips to score a good marks. Okay, this is just for the revision after you're completing your whole syllabus. With just a few days left to the CBSE exam, students should completing their revision work by now. Okay, here are the few things you should keep in mind that will come in handy during the exams. So create a study plan. You have to create your timetable. After that you have done everything, then you can revise easily whatever is prepared by you. So first of all, you should focus on what topic you have to focus. With just a few days left for the exam, student must focus on the revisions keys. Like revision keys are just simply a notes that one can prepare for every subject that by dividing into 10 to 12 topics. Okay, however, only the condition for the success is that after revising your notes, every concept, every topic is crystal clear. Okay, next one is time management. Discipline and time management both are very important for your exams. After giving you enough time, like morning is enough for me if I revise. Okay, so for some students, evening yeah late night study is good, so you have to manage your time as per your convenience. Next one is physical activity. Yes, physical activity is most important. Like you have to drink enough water. Physical activity gives a boost to hormones which can concentrate and learn better. However, it should be limited. In the last 1 month before exam, student cannot afford to spend more than half of their energy on only on physical energy system. Okay, so you have to focus as well as on study. Next one is parent and child relationship. Parents should keep study motivate students motivated, so it is important like quality parents and students keep relations good. As a parent should like the one credible person in the life of the child. He she must be able to talk with their parents. Not don't feel any hesitation. If you have any doubt, you can clear from your parents as well. So parents should understand what exactly they want for their study. Okay, so parents and child relationship is also required. Next one is technology. Yes or no, whether you need technology or no. So whenever ask the query that any student need a technology, yes, nowadays everything, if you have any doubt, you can clear through internet. Okay, you just search a specific topic on a Google and you can clear it. So parents don't stop them by you for using their technology. Next one is practicing all exams. Yes, this is also most important. If you practice your all exams, you will know what format that examiner will follow, how the worthy practice for measuring the time you need to actual test. Okay, so practice all exam papers is also necessary. So thank you.